Alright guys, so here we're going to start the crawling or trailing session, if I may. And here we have a ECX Barrage customized completely for a lot of action. And Shane will explain you what stuff he has in here. Let's check it out.
Alright, so basically it's an axial transmission made into a Doomsday Barrage skid plate. It's trans plate. You got the quick run up top here, running two 27 turn motors, 16 pinion, and then you got a slipper delete metal spur. You got the Vanquish front and rear differentials, as well as the Vanquish transmission, an Integi dual motor plate, and then you got the G-made shocks right here.
Alright, and here's Mitch with this Trx4, the Ultra Kingpin, and that's my Trx4. And let's get it going, guys. It's a big, long day for us, and we're just having some fun with the RCs. Let's see what's poppin'. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose, guys. Guys, check this out.
There's a freaking geese here.
Guys, a geese is here. Signals of spring, guys. Signals of spring from nature, pretty much. There's only one, but still signals of spring. Hey, hey, spring is coming. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh! Oh, that's insane. No problem. around you can get. Around? Alright guys, so here we end the session. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in RC Overdose and have a great day. Peace. Guys.